Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create a plan for a mobile data limit on Oukitel C33. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings. Then on top of the page let me rotate the screen. There's network and internet. We want to enter that. Then go for the calls and SIM card settings right here. And we want to scroll down again, then find the data warning and limit. And here we can configure the limit itself. You will need to enable set data limit, then adjust the size for it, and you can switch between gigabytes and megabytes. And keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So in this case, we're going to go for 5 gigabytes. And we can also activate or deactivate a mobile data warning, and when we will receive it. In this case, when I reach the 2 gigabytes of a limit of mobile data usage, I will receive mobile data warning. You can also change when does this cycle restarts, and in this case, we're going to go for the first day of the month and click on set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.